you can now. Today I'm going to tell you how to add, subtract, divide, and multiply in Excel. First, you have to open a new Excel. So you can open in, like, you can type and open, or you can click on the desktop screen, right click, and then click on new and search for Excel over here. Mine is 2007 version. You can use any version. So I've created this Excel. I'm going to open that, and let's try addition first. So I'm going to highlight what the symbols in a different color. So which is in green are the symbols in computer for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First let's try addition with small numbers. Now click on equal to sign and then the first number, and now click on any symbol you want. You can multiply, divide. So see which is the addition symbol. Addition symbol is the normal one. So click on the addition symbol and the second number, and then click enter. The correct answer comes. Let's try it. Let's see if it is the correct answer in calculator. Yes, it is the correct answer. So let's try another. Now let's try subtraction. Uh, Type a big number because it will show it is easy to see. Now, so sorry, this should be the bigger number because subtraction we should do with the bigger number. Now, over here press on equal to first number, then this time you have to press a subtraction sign because this is a subtraction sum, and then the second number, enter. The answer is visible. Let's try it in calculator. The correct answer. Now multiplication. Now another number. Okay, now the smaller number. Now click on equal to sign and then first number, the multiplication sign, and then the second number, and then the second numbers. Sorry, something came. Sorry for that interruption. Okay, now click on enter. Now enter 7752. The answer is correct. The division symbol is also same. Just click on the number and then click on the equal to sign, this one, the division symbol, and then 9. Enter. The answer is displayed, but this is in a different format. We can't understand this. So bye friends. Let's meet next time.